Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by preparing both devices so pairing is predictable. Power the WH1000 Xm5 on and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until the indicator flashes blue and red, which means Bluetooth pairing mode is active. On your iPad, open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Keep Bluetooth toggled on. Make sure the headphones have at least 20% charge and remain within 3-5 meters of the iPad during the entire process to avoid timeouts and interference. With Bluetooth active and the Xm5 in pairing mode, watch the list of available devices on the iPad. The headphones show as WH1000 Xm5 or Sony WH1000 Xm5. Tap that entry to start pairing. When the iPad asks to confirm, accept it. Wait for the status to read connected under the device name. If the WH1000 Xm5 does not appear, power off and back on. Re-enter pairing mode by holding the power button for 7 seconds. After the iPad shows connected, open the App Store and install Sony Headphones Connect to update firmware, adjust EQ, and enable multipoint if supported. Run any firmware updates immediately. iPad OS uses AAC for Bluetooth audio, which gives the best consistent quality. LDAC is not supported on iPad OS. If wireless fails or you need zero latency, use a USB-C to USB-C cable or a USB-C to 3.5 adapter for wired audio, and be sure your iPad model supports analog output when using a
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.